Are you looking for the best air fryers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best air fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart Air Fryer. You probably know the Instant brand from the line of very popular Instant Pot pressure cookers, but did you know that the company makes great air fryers too? We're especially impressed by the Instant Vortex Plus with Clear Cook and Odor Erase, which features a clear viewing window so you can see the air fryer basket while your food is cooking, plus an odor-removing filter. In our testing, we found that it didn't completely eliminate smells, so if you're whipping up an air fryer salmon it might be obvious, but it seemed significantly less smoky when compared to our Breville Smart Oven Air. We love its ease of use, intuitive controls, the easy-to-clean non-stick drawer basket, plus the roomy interior. It's big enough to fit 4 chicken thighs. Plus, this top pick heats up very quickly with virtually no preheating time. A slightly more affordable option is its predecessor, the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart. It lacks the viewing window and the odor-removing filters, but it still has the same intuitive control panel and roomy non-stick interior, so you can easily cook a chicken breast or smaller meals from your favorite cookbooks. If you want an even bigger option, Instant also offers Instant Vortex Plus in a 10-quart model that has a viewing window and a rotisserie feature. Number 2. Cosori 6-quart 9-in-1 Air Fryer. We've tested a few Cosori small kitchen appliances in the past and have generally liked them, and the 6-quart 9-in-1 air fryer is no different. While Instant's Vortex has the upper hand mostly thanks to its Clear Cook window, those who don't mind peeking inside the machine to check out their food should consider Cosori's machine. Its 6-quart capacity is great for side dishes like Brussels sprouts and onion rings, but it's also large enough to have quite a few chicken wings and a whole block of tofu without too much overlap. The rounded square basket is one of the roomiest I've seen on a device with as relatively small of a footprint as Cosori's air fryer. Overall, this Cosori air fryer crisped up foods nicely regardless of if they started off raw, frozen or fridge cool. The 9 preset cooking modes include a preheat option for starting things off right at the precise temperature, a proof option for bakers and a dedicated frozen setting for pre-made appetizers and snacks. Most people will likely use the standard air fry mode the most, but it's convenient to have so many other options, including the basics like broil, bake and roast. After testing a number of air fryers over the past few years, I appreciate the small features this Cosori model has, like an easy-to-use touch screen, a basket release button, a good safety feature, since you must press it to remove the basket from the main unit, and the auto-pause feature that turns the cooking element off when you release the basket. It'll turn right back on, though, if you just open it up for a quick look. Number 3. Ninja DZ401 Foodi Air Fryer. Most machines can make one thing at a time, but Ninja's dual-zone digital air fryer can handle 2 totally different foods simultaneously, making it a top air fryer by our standards. Available in 8 and 10-quart capacities, this dual basket air fryer isn't compact, so it won't be a good option for those with small kitchens. However, if you have the counter space, it could be the best air fryer to invest in, especially if you cook for a large family. You can prep 2 totally different foods, like a chicken breast and brownies, at the same time with totally different cooking modes, or use Match Cook to prepare foods in the dual baskets the same way. The heating zones are independent, so if you only want to fill up one side with French fries and leave the other empty, you can do that as well. We appreciate how quickly the Ninja air fryer heats up. There's little to no preheating time at all, and how it runs relatively quietly. It also has a feature called Smart Finish that will automatically adjust cooking time so that your fried chicken thighs in the first chamber and asparagus in the second will finish at the same time, so you don't have to wait for one part of your meal to be ready while the other gets cold. In general, dual-zone air frying capabilities aren't necessary for most people, but those who cook often will get a lot of use out of machines like the Ninja Foodi. Number 4. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. Listen, most people don't need the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. But if you love to cook, have a large family or throw a bunch of parties, you'll likely get a ton of use out of this machine. This stainless steel countertop oven is a beast, measuring 1 cubic foot, so be prepared to carve out some space in your kitchen for it. But its size allows it to cook an entire 14-pound turkey and fit things like a 5-quart Dutch oven and a 9x13 pan inside of it. This large air fryer basically acts like a second oven, or even a primary one if your main oven is out of commission. As the best air fryer toaster oven on this list, it's quite capable and its size helps since you can spread your food out to ensure things are as crispy as possible. It also helps that you can cook a lot of servings at once, which will make it easier if you're preparing snacks like bagels for brunch, appetizers for a party, or a side dish for a family dinner. In addition to air frying, it has a number of other cooking modes including toast, broil, bake, pizza, dehydrate, slow cook and proof. Despite the smart moniker, this model doesn't have app connectivity, but you can get that feature if you upgrade to the Joule. That'll allow you to get push notifications when your food's ready, and the companion app also has guided recipes which you can follow along with. Unsurprisingly, like most Breville gadgets, both the Joule and the standard Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro are quite expensive, coming in at $500 and $400, respectively. But if you're looking to add the versatility of a multi-use machine to your kitchen, Breville has you covered. Number 5. Ninja 5.5-Quart Air Fryer XL, AF150 AMZ. Ninja's 5.5-quart air fryer XL could be considered a decent alternative budget option considering it's frequently on sale for between $90 and $110. While that's still at least $30 more than our main budget pick, Ninja's machine more than doubles the capacity and adds a handy dehydrate preset for anyone that likes to make their own fruit or veggie chips. Some will appreciate the slightly raised buttons on Ninja's air fryer for providing a bit more tactile feedback when adjusting cooking time and temperatures, and the fact that it's tall rather than wide, taking advantage of likely unused vertical space in between your counter and cabinets. The biggest issue for me with this Ninja air fryer was its pod shape. While pretty standard in the world of air fryers, I found its circular cooking basket to feel much more cramped than the rounded square basket of our Cosori top pick. Nevertheless, Ninja's machine cooked raw and frozen foods well and is another easy-to-use option that only requires a couple of button presses to get started.